Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am sitting outside. I'm sure you guys can hear the background noise. And the weather, oh my god. So it has finally started summer in the UAE and it's terribly hot. So yesterday I did this makeup which lasted me through more than 9 hours. A dip in the sea and a good swim in the pool. And still it was completely intact. So I thought, you know what, I have to share this with you all. This face is not going anywhere if you guys follow the steps that I have done. It's so simple. I wouldn't say less makeup, this is like full glam, but still it looks so good. Budge-roof, sweat-proof, heat-proof, whatever you call this. Alright, and his eyes, oh, I'm really liking his eyes, you guys. It's like such a glistening, twinkly kind of effect, that kind of eye. And this shirt dress, this is the dress, and it is so comfy. Oh, I can't tell you, it's like easy, airy, very comfortable. So I might wear this with a belt. But for now, yeah, I'm good. I hope you guys enjoy this. Take care, stay blessed and beautiful.
Hola! As always, I am starting with a facial spray just to hydrate the face before I start my makeup. Now, these are the key steps to achieve that flawless, long-lasting makeup. These are the primers. So I am going in first with my Tatcha Luminous Silk Primer, and because that creates a beautiful hydrating canvas on my face. And on top of it, I'm going in with this Hourglass Veil Primer. This works for my pores and this is oil free. Also, that has the SPF content in it. And the third step is this one, as you are seeing here, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This will lock in all the primers and make sure that whatever we are putting on top of it lasts longer. And now this one is my Holy Grail Summer Foundation. And you have to work this foundation in sections because it dries down pretty fast. Yeah, and this is so long lasting, and as you can see, this is so untraceable on the skin. After that, you all know I go in with my concealer. So this Hourglass concealer I have been loving lately, but on top here I'm adding a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer just in the inner corner to brighten it up more. And then this way, the way I'm applying it in here with a damp sponge will make sure that everything is blended seamlessly, right? And after that, here I am going with some cream bronzer, because for summer I really like cream bronzers, and also whenever I really want a long-lasting makeup, I do a cream base first. That way it stays longer, whereas if you use just powders. Of course, how can she go without glow. And this iconic London liquid illuminator is like glass in a jar. It will make you glowy, beautiful, healthy, everything. And after that, the key step again is to set all the creams with the Urban Decay Facial Mist. And in here, I just made sure that there is no creasing underneath my eyes before I set them with this powder. And another thing that I have been doing, because in summer, we wear sunglasses, so just beside the nose it just creases. So I like to just remove a little bit of excess products with my fingers. And this Hourglass powder adds a light sheen on the face, which looks beautiful in summer. Here I'm just setting the contour area with this bronzer. Usual places. Highlight. Oh, look at that glass skin. This highlight is beautiful by Laura Geller. I really like it. And after that, I just went in with some blush. I've mixed in two colors actually. I was using the palette as my mirror, so I just couldn't show you guys, but I will leave the description in the description box. Here I have done my eyebrows off camera and I just set them in place with some brow gel. And this clip I did not edit at all. I'm sorry about the noise. This eye pencil crayon, this is by Terry. See how easy it is to apply. I just scrabble it on my lids and blend it in with my fingers, and this is so long lasting, you guys. This doesn't crease, doesn't budge, and it creates that very beautiful sheen of color. Very, very, very easy to use, I'd rather say. So here you can see I'm just like adding a little more or less here and there, and also underneath my eyes, and also smudge them with my fingers. As simple as that. But the most beautiful part is coming right after this. Oh, the Stila eyeshadows, you guys. This is so pretty. Just look at it, and it's so easy to apply. Also, you have to work this in sections because it dries down pretty fast. And what I do is I just put directly right in the middle of my lid and blend it in with my fingers, just like this. Oh, these are so twinkly, shimmery, not too much glittery, but just like adult glitter, I can say. This is beautiful. I mean, it looks more beautiful in person than you can see on pictures. Oh my god, I just love this. This is so simple, easy and quick. Oh, too good. Here I am curling my lashes because my lashes are pretty straight. And after that I'm gonna show you my holy grail mascara combo. These two are waterproof mascaras, and I'll just show you guys. See here, it's just one coat, and how it makes, like, you don't need any falsies if you're wearing this, and these are waterproof, so it doesn't budge at all. All right, after that I moved on to lips, lining them using this pomegranate lipstick. Oh, this shade is so pretty. But yeah, I went in with a different color just to add a little bit of pinkiness. What is pinkiness? This is the one. Yeah, I really like this combo, you guys. It just brightens your whole face. Now, this is the deal. First, I went in with this setting mist by Sugar Goop, that is SPF 50, and as that one is a little drying, I pop on the Hourglass Veil setting mist, and throughout the day I will just use this Cuddly Beauty Elixir to hydrate and refresh the face. And after that I just take a beauty sponge and push all of them in place. Woman talk. This is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Bye.